Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, eastern parishes are being pounded by heavy rainfall. People living in flood-prone areas are particularly on edge.
Now, in places like Portland, there have been reports of landslides, and in one community in particular called Claverty Cottages, some residents are marooned.
But according to the Met Service, more rain is in the forecast because of a trough across the Central Caribbean. Ramada Lyons has the story.
Some long-awaited rain in Portland, but it hasn't washed away the problem for the community of Claverty Cottage. It has only made it worse. The problem?
The road. The main cry for our community right now is the road.
This section of the main road impassable. And here, a man takes his chances through what looks like the aftermath of a hurricane.
Whenever we have sick here, we cannot take out our sick to the doctor, and it costs us a lots of money from here to Buff Bay. You're talking about $12,000. You're talking about $20,000 to charter a Greek man.
This is the journey for about 8 miles, a recipe for damaged vehicles and expenses.
So now we have landslides, rocks, boulders coming out in the road. The road has narrowed to a point now where vehicle can't pass that said store. And it's really a matter of something that's been happening for most of my life. It's just a recurrence. But what we're worried about is that if this rain continues for another 2 days, it would be a disaster.
The fear? More landslides like this. They do not only restrict movement, but the potential for physical harm exists.
Wouldn't survive. It's 8 miles off the worst road.
The rain started last Friday, and not just any rain.
Hard rain from Friday straight back, so till today. At the best time this we have right now. Road dig up, I mean, a lot of banana planting, all of them things they blow down, they on the floor right now. So I think no farmer have suffered a lot.
Before the rain, a doctor had to travel on this very road to visit a patient at home who was in need of care.
The patient wouldn't have been able to manage that road surface to come out. It affects everything. Learning, elderly who has to visit the clinic.
We manage up here on a daily basis, really rough because, I mean, the road, as you see, we don't have any. And this has been going on for a long time.
Schools too have to stand the test of heavy showers and terrible terrain. One teacher says,
it does affect the teachers because all of the teachers live outside of the community.
How many teachers are we talking about?
2 teachers and 1 principal.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.